Semitrails company is a full range of services for sales and servicing of commercial vehicles. We are an official distributor of trucks from advanced automobile factories. The company Semitrails presents only the advanced names of manufacturers' factories, whose products meet the dynamics of the ever-growing demands of the commercial equipment market. Reliability and quality is the motto of our company. That's why the Semitrails became the best company 2019 in Ukraine. We actively conquer the markets of Europe, Africa and neighboring countries. Semitrails company is 15 years of successful work history. To ensure uninterrupted supply of commercial equipment, we guarantee high quality of services and maintain a good reputation. We will be glad to see you among our partners.